At the start of teen court, I was so incredibly nervous for my first case. I was shaking, I didn't know what to do. Now I can basically just go straight in without being nervous. My presenting skills, my speaking skills have gotten so much better. It's actually real cases, which is such a unique opportunity. I've learned a lot about our community and all kinds of different people in it. It's been one of the most meaningful things so far in high school for me.
My name is Caleb Mulvin. I'm with the Lakewood Probation Department. I'm also the Teen Court coordinator. Teen Court is, first of all, an amazing program. It involves volunteering teens around the community, first-time offenders through the criminal justice system that have taken accountability for their offense. And it's a restorative justice program that gives kids the opportunity to restore the harm that they have caused in the community. In Teen Court, we have a teen prosecuting attorney, a defense attorney, a teen judge, sometimes a teen bailiff, and teen jury members. I think that's the unique thing about Teen Court is the nature of it of bringing accountability to the forefront. And when you're having your case heard in front of other kids similar in age, and then you're having kids share your side of the story or fight against that side, it's kind of rewarding in the sense of like, hey, I can be doing better.
When I sat up there, I tried to be as honest as I could and gave my side of the story and everything. And honestly, it was really nice. It was better than I think it would have been going to court.
One of my favorite cases I worked on, they were really at a low point in their life. I got the sentence that we requested, and it was nice to know that she didn't have to serve a harsh sentence. It was one of the most challenging ones that I've done. So it made me feel really good and really successful because it's not every day that you're able to do something like that for someone who's at a really low point.
I love the experience. I love being able to stand up here, play a role in the justice system. It's a great opportunity for me to learn. It's a great opportunity for me to improve my speaking skills, my confidence, and my ability to argue. I've always wanted to be a lawyer. That's something I've wanted to do for a long time, but it has strengthened it quite a bit.
Teen Court, we're always accepting volunteers. We love all the volunteers that get engaged with this program. It's a great opportunity for kids to grow their confidence, grow their public speaking, and just to involve themselves with the community and make friends.